Show me how to use your hands while you're eating. Like that. And then push your tongue. Ah, very good. Like, one more fish. Show me how to use your hands. Polish kids using hands while eating rice. Push your the thumb like this. Oh, get the rice and then push like this thumb. Your thumb. Again, Esteras. One more. Like that. And then push your thumb. Oh, it's okay. Good job.